Ever wondered why software delivery can feel like running a marathon on a treadmill? It's because conventional software delivery methods have not kept pace with our digitized world. Imagine this. In the traditional model, developers are the masterminds who craft the code. Once done, they hand it off to the operations team, responsible for deployment. Uniquely, these teams operate in isolation, functioning as separate entities. This segregation often leads to a communication breakdown, triggering delays and inaccuracies. The dynamics is akin to a relay race, each player waiting for their turn to take the baton and run. The process is sequential and sluggish, and just as in a relay, a stumble from one can affect the entire race. Therefore, in software delivery, if one member falters, it could spell disaster for the whole team. And just like in a relay race, if one runner stumbles, the whole team is affected. Consider an alternate reality. A world where developers and operations aren't just sharing tasks, but are truly working together right from the get-go. This collaboration forms the essence of DevOps, a culture, set of practices and philosophy that aims to bridge the gap between software development, dev, and IT operations, ops. It's not merely about delegating tasks, but cultivating a shared sense of responsibility and refining the existing procedures. DevOps is centered around breaking down walls, fostering a shared sense of responsibility, and enhancing processes. The entire philosophy is about competing together in the race, aiming to the finish line swiftly and effectively. By embracing an iterative, agile methodology, frequent smaller-scale software development, testing, and deployment becomes an attainable goal. This practice promotes continuous improvement, streamlining work processes for better efficiency. This approach allows for early detection and resolution of issues, boosting overall productivity. Through the adoption of the DevOps culture, teams can align their objectives, dismantle silos, and collectively strive towards goal. It's about running the race together, aiming to cross the finish line in a quicker, more efficient manner. DevOps, as a culture, set of practices and philosophy, advocates for an iterative, agile approach where software is developed, tested, and deployed in short, regular. In the realm of DevOps methodology, continuous integration and continuous delivery, abbreviated as CI/CD, play a pivotal role. This paradigm streamlines the processes of software development, testing, and deployment. CI mandates frequent amalgamation of individual developers' code into a centralized hub. This approach accelerates error detection and expedites validation and release of software updates. On the other hand, CD is instrumental in automating the delivery of applications as per preset infrastructure configurations. It ensures that software can be deployed at any given moment, enhancing the velocity, efficiency, and dependability of the delivery process. Together, CI/CD not only facilitates a smooth workflow, but also bolsters collaboration and productivity, truly embodying the spirit of DevOps. Their combined effect ensures that the software can be deployed at any time, thereby boosting the speed, efficiency, and reliability of the overall process. So why is this salient? In today's digital era, software is the core of virtually all facets of our existence. It is intrinsic in everything from online shopping, maneuvering through congested streets, to space exploration. Hence, the manner in which software is delivered is of utmost importance. The swiftness and reliability of its delivery have become paramount. This is where DevOps and CI/CD become significant. Through these methodologies, the delivery of software is not only accelerated but also its quality is significantly improved. This is achieved by cultivating quicker feedback cycles, which enable early detection and speedy resolution of problems. Essentially, these methodologies are revolutionizing the way teams work in harmony, smoothing out operations, and diminishing the risk of unsuccessful software deployments. They encourage teamwork, refine processes, and minimize the risk of deployment failures. However, implementing CI/CD is not without its challenges. It requires a shift in the team's mindset, a culture of continuous learning, and a willingness to respond quickly to changes. But once you overcome these hurdles, the benefits are manifold. The best practices include a code repository, automating the build, keeping the build fast, testing in a clone of the production environment, and making it easy for anyone to get the latest executable version. In a nutshell, CI/CD is not just about tools and technology, but it also involves people and processes. In conclusion, DevOps and continuous integration and continuous delivery, often referred to as CI/CD, are not just about enabling the delivery of software at a quicker pace. This is a common misconception. They're about so much more than that. They're about ensuring that the software that is delivered is superior in quality, significantly enhancing the user experience, and also about delivering this high-quality software at an accelerated rate. Think of it like this. With DevOps and CI/CD, it's not about one team member sprinting ahead and simply passing on the baton to the next, as in a traditional relay race. No, it's about every team member running the race together, shoulder to shoulder, in unison. Imagine converting the challenging marathon of software delivery into a smooth, efficient relay race. Envision multiple teams working in tandem to ensure a seamless and successful delivery. This is what DevOps and CI/CD promise. They transform the arduous process of software delivery into a highly coordinated and efficient relay race. It's streamlining workflows, enhancing communication, and fostering a culture of collaboration and shared responsibility, and that, dear audience, captures the potent and transformative power of DevOps and CI/CD in software delivery. Having understood the power of DevOps and CI/CD, let's dive deeper into the world of continuous integration and continuous delivery. To truly grasp its significance, it's essential to look at real-world examples of CI/CD in action. Imagine a tech company that releases new updates to its software every week. Prior to CI/CD, this process was labor-intensive and fraught with errors. Each update would require weeks of manual testing, followed by a painstaking process of fixing the bugs. The time between updates was lengthy, and the risk of releasing faulty software was high. Enter CI/CD. With automated testing and deployment, updates are streamlined. Code is integrated and tested in real time, allowing developers to detect and fix issues promptly. The software is continuously delivered, ensuring that the end users always have the latest bug-free version. This is why CI/CD is often referred to as the backbone of modern software delivery. But how is this possible? It's through a combination of practices and tools. These include version control systems, automated testing tools, and deployment pipelines. Together, they create an automated, reliable, and efficient software delivery process. In essence, CI/CD revolutionizes software development. It enables faster, more reliable, and automated software delivery, transforming the way companies operate. It's not just a methodology, it's a game changer in the world of software delivery. So, as we move forward, remember this. CI/CD is not just about speed, it's about delivering high-quality software, consistently and reliably, making it an indispensable tool in the modern software delivery landscape.
Continuous Learning. Code Books Academy. Thank you for watching.